Replacing rear coil spring and 2008 Volkswagen Passat Turbo. See, there's a spring right there, and then the new one I'm gonna put in. I'm gonna go get the new one right now. New coil spring for 2008. That's the old one, VW Passat. Gotta lower this control arm down from there and let go the bolt below the shocks, and the control arm come down with the jack, lower it down, and that's it. Replace the coil spring. This one broken. Just replace coil spring and the Passat. See, brand new. Just knock that bolt in, take it out and zip it out, and then put that one in.